Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Normally we go out and ride bikes, do that kind of stuff, go see cool stuff. But today I wanted to show you guys this little FireBox project I've been working on. And what I'm gonna ask, if you guys take a look at this, give me some comments down below. Tell me what I can do better. What did I do as an overkill? What did I do wrong? And then we're going to do some cooking. We're going to cook some bacon. We're going to cook some pork chops and mushrooms and onions here. So these are the first parts we'll take out. This is kind of like a little treasure chest right here. It's got all kinds of cool accessories that we'll get into, but for right now we'll just take a look at these three. You just kind of take these sides, link them together like that. See that? They just kind of slide down, lock together like that. And then same with this piece. You just kind of tilt it a little bit, interlock it like that. One thing I should show you with this little top plate right here. This here is for metric and standard size fasteners. I don't know, this is like a M10, I think. Sits in there like that, so if you were in a pinch and you need it. And this up here is a bottle opener. So now you got a bottle opener. And then one of these little features that I thought would be kind of fun is when you're loading wood, cutting wood, splitting wood, in case you get a little splinter in your finger, comes with a little pair of tweezers if you need to get, ooh, damn, that's the one, kind of a foo-foo drink. The first fuel we're going to run is an MSR fuel canister with the MSR burner. Just thread those together. Like that. And then it just sits in here like this. Right on top like that. So right now, these three sides act as a really nice stable base for you to cook on. We got a pretty good wind going on right now, and it's acting as a wind block. Okay. We're gonna munch on some of that bacon. We're gonna get some more going. And you can put it at this level, or like we were showing earlier, you could drop it down further. And I haven't tried the sterno can yet, but I'll have to give that a try. You can put that in there like that, warm something up right there. That's kind of cool. Oh, that looks good. I think we're done. Turn the burner off. By the way, in case I haven't said this, all of the materials are 304 stainless steel for the FireBox, which is an incredibly common type of stainless for cookware. I'll put this back up there for later. But anyway, let's do a taste test. Oh, that's good. Some of this bacon. Mushroom. Look at that mushroom. Oh, I think we're in trouble. The wind's picking up, and look at that. That looks like rain. It's gonna be nasty. But we're gonna try. We're gonna try and get these pork chops going. This piece goes in here like this. So you have this tab, and then a tab in the back, and then a tab on that side. try and turn it so you can see it real well. So you slide the tab in the back, and then you slide the tab on this side like that, and then you slide the tab like that. So if you wanted to, you could actually, you know, burn with this guy like this. If you wanted to just load, you know, your fuel in through the front and burn this way, it's kind of a nice feature where you don't actually have to have the front on if you don't want to, but you can actually just feed in and then have your fire coming up and then do your cooking right on top like that. But in this case, we'll see if we can do a little bit of magic, and we'll drop this on in a second. And then this piece, you can kind of see the tab here goes into that, and then this tab here links in with that one, and then the same with these two tabs. And then this is where you'll feed your fire. You feed your fuel through here. And then like this, watch. It'll be like magic. I'll snap my fingers and this will be on there. Oh, voila, it's on. Look at that. So we got the tabs. You can pick this thing up now. It's all interlocked. That's 240 pounds of just twisted muscle and steel. And then we can put this right down in here like that, get it right over the fire. I think one of the pieces I'll make too is like one of those rings that sits up here that helps trap the heat. Already it's boiling because you can get it down in there close to the fire. We'll just get some hot coffee. Is that you can feed wood in through the sides. You can feed wood in through there. Let's try it. Oh, that's good, that's hot. Let's get this cooking. Oh, that looks good. Ooh. Look at that, a little bit of butter. Oh, that looks so good. Some of these veggies on there. Ooh, perfect. Little snack. Ooh, that looks good. Mmm. 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 Cooking over an open flame like that on a grill, that is so good. Got some coffee. Oh, that is awesome. Okay, after we get done eating this, we'll keep the fire going. And we got a couple more accessories to show you that's kind of cool that we can add onto this thing. I don't know how this is gonna go, but it's got these little corners here that you can put your toast in at an angle like that. One like that. Toast is a delicate thing. Trying to come up with a name for this thing, and I was telling my oldest son I should call it the hot box, and he's going, "No, Dad, no, you can't be calling it the hot box. Don't you know what that is?" And I'm like, "Of course I know what that is. That's how I ended up with kids." That's my bad joke for the day. We made a toaster. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Is this going too far? Let's try it out. Looks pretty good. Toast with a little bit of honey on top. Nature sugar. Mmm, are good. This one's almost ready. Okay, it worked good, but we'll see. So I think I could make a couple design tweaks, improve it a little bit. Okay, we're gonna do some jalapeno and cheddar. It's like a little rack. Ooh, ouchie, mama. Turn it a little bit. Ooh. Move this one down a little. Jalapeno and cheddar. That's good. Thank you guys very much for all the comments that you're going to throw down in the bottom. Let me know what I should work on. What's kind of gimmicky? Like, is this little hot dog thing here gimmicky? Seems to work pretty good. I'll probably make another one of these with, there's about a dozen things I want to improve. But anyway, thank you very much, and see you guys on the next ride.